Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So firstly you have to go to settings, scroll down, go to the accessibility, and then Talkback. Here you can enable Talkback. After that, Talkback starts talking non-stop.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback.
So
Welcome
here,
to Talkback.
and in Talkback, to perform any action, you firstly have to select it with your finger and then double tap to activate it. For example, to close it, I'll select it firstly and then double tap to activate. And the same with any action. For example, if you want to turn Talkback off, select it, double tap, stop, double tap.
Talkback off.
And that's how you can perform this operation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.